Introduction. Hypertext Markup Language (HTML) is the standard markup language for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. First developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990. He is also web inventor and director of W3C. HTML is used to create electronic documents called pages that are displayed on the World Wide Web. Each page contains a series of connections to other pages called hyperlinks. There are several versions of HTML. As of September 2018. The current standard of HTML is dubbed HTML5 and is specifically at version 5.2. Filename extension .html or .htm. Features. Platform-independent language. It is not case-sensitive language. Title. Lists. Paragraph. H. Controls fonts. Colors. Positioning using CSS, cascading style sheets. We can build tables. It used to create web pages. HTML tags. Two types of HTML tags. Paired tags, it is also known as container tag. It contains a opening and closing tag. Example, less than be greater than. Example, less than / be greater than. Singular tags, it is also known as empty tag. It contains a only single tag. It does not have a closing tag. Example, less than br greater than. Less than hr greater than. Format of HTML tags. For creating HTML web pages. HTML tags. With tags name, and code examples, and browser view also. Comment tag, anchor tag, bold tag, italic tag, line break tag, heading tags. Center tag, image tag, paragraph tag, in, center, right, left, horizontal rule tag, font tag. Now, we will write a first form in Notepad or any other software for creating HTML web page.